Good day everyone, welcome to my channel Quick Tech Master Mariner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification of all other videos. Let us learn use of ARPA and how to use it effectively.
The ARPA is an excellent anti-collision system that can provide the navigator with useful information in very short time. The CPA, TCPA and bow crossing ranges of targets are used by the navigator when assessing a traffic situation. Some navigators believe that the information obtained from the ARPA radar is so accurate and reliable that it allows them to reduce passing distances from land or other ships to a bare minimum. That is a very dangerous and irresponsible attitude. Always give yourself a safety margin and never accept short predicted passing distances. Here are some important factors worth remembering. The passing distance of a target varies with the target size, speed and aspect. There is a delay in the detection of a target's action. Occasionally, lost target may occur. The ARPA radar may have errors in its sensors, hardware or software. Minimizing the passing distance from traffic may lead to confusion on the part of other ships as to your intentions and the unnecessary development of a close quarters situation, which is undoubtedly in breach of the call regs.